Hi, good evening, viewers. My name is Ekemi Udom, as known as God's Time Udom. I'm here to tell you my work description, what I can offer in the society, any company that look for my services. So I've been very competent in database management. We talk about database management. I can handle your database very well, because nowadays, if you have a database manager that don't know how to manage your database, sometimes you'll be missing some information inside, which if you have a competent person that can manage the data, update the data, update the firmwares, and make the data system to be secure. That means that for future reference, that means that the data will still be updating and synchronized to other generation. So I'm very good in database management. That's what I've been doing with my fingertips. So another field that I'm very competent in very well is networking, which is the one that I can come anytime I will deliver you. Networking is the best way that any company that wants to grow far. Without networking, you cannot send information in a long rate of level, because nowadays we are not using wire. Networking is very minimal. You just send between one system to another system. While the one we are operating now is wireless, we can send information through somebody from UK, Uganda, anywhere, Canada. Somebody can view the information. That is what we call wire networking. So in that aspect of networking, I can very handle it depending on the database and the server. We send information very wide to either wire networking or wireless. I'm very good in that, and also I'm very competent, very okay in business analysis. For somebody who want to embark in a new business, new startup, sometimes new startup don't even know what you're supposed to do in the process of business. Some businesses are falling now because you don't want to pass through the business analyst to tell them what to do, what you not to do. Because some businesses are falling because they don't know what to sustain their business. It's not about you to buy products to sell, but how will you sustain this business to 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and people still come and follow and sustain and do business with you. It's not about you to make findings and get a very good business analyst. I need to sit you down and tell you, well, this is what you're supposed to get in this kind of system, and this is how you need to get more people to patronize you. So in the aspect of business analyst, I'm very good for that. And if you need me in any other area, I'm very okay. Very important thing that I can deliver you also is also in the aspect of system maintenance. System maintenance, what means that if you don't have a very good system maintenance, your system, your computer will be having some issues every day, which is something you need to do. You put a good antivirus, put a good program. You need to check the system specification so that you can know how your system can work. You can, for example, your system is carrying a very small, what we call a very small network, that's graphics, and you go and carry a software that is so high specification and put in the system. What will happen? See what will happen. The system will crash. You will have what we call breakdown in system. That is where you need to check what you are doing. We need to know this kind of system specification in a company. If you want to run a very big software, a software that can take a lot of gigabytes, you need to know the kind of system requirement to get for that kind of aspect. So that is our duty in the aspect of system maintenance. We know how to, and I know how to handle it very well. And another thing is cloud computing. That is a new process I'm still doing in my professional work right now. I'm still on it, which I'm still learning to know how to sell information through clouds. Because most of nowadays you can sell something in a hardware. For example, you put something in the SSD computer or HDD hard drive. Possible you can have fire outbreak. The computer will spoil, or the hard drive will spoil, which you don't see what to do and how to save your data information, which will be running. For the best way you can save your information in clouds, so that you future you can still retrieve information then, but you can require some payments, and you can make some payments that the information will serve there for future occurrence or future reference. So it's very, very good in I learn cloud computing so that I can navigate the world. Last thing I want to put in my input is all about I'm very good in AI generation. Nowadays, AI has come to stay. Come and look at some people go to your office, do multiple work, and you feel so tired, feel low lazy to even to attend to come to people. But what AI can do for you is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is something that think like human being and do something more faster than a normal physical human body. That's the automated system that can, for example, I'm one of our affiliate marketing in Temo. Which what you do and if you go to that platform Temo, what will happen is that you will want to ask for assistance. The AI automatic system will just assist you, give you a prompt immediately, because those people are not women. They are very, very fast. They are not tired. Which it was a woman system and will be very tired. AI is working 24 hours. It's not sleeping. It's always active. So that is a new system that I've been embarking on, which I'm still creating new updates to know more about AI. So in any company I look for these services, I, Kevin, will deliver you very well. So feel free to call me anytime, anywhere. I stand to deliver in any of the specialization you are looking for your company. So see you next time for another view. God bless you. Thank you.